Hi, my name is Matt Kendricks, and the Linux command of the week is SSH keygen. We're also going to cover SSH copy ID. They kind of go hand in hand, but the key command that we're going to focus on is SSH keygen. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So SSH keygen is used to be able to generate a public-private key, right? So you'll hear people say a key pair, right? So we're going to hit that here, and it's going to say, hey, where do you want to store your key? And I'm just going to store it with all my other keys. I'm going to actually give it a name of LCOW, just Linux command of the week, and we're going to hit enter. And we're not going to take a passphrase, and it generated a key. So what it actually generated here, if we look, and we look for LCOW, and it created a private key, and it actually created a public key, and the public key is denoted by the .pub. So now what we're going to do is then copy that key over to a server so that we can actually log in remotely using that key. So let's do SSH copy ID. Let's give it the actual key that we want to actually copy over, which is LCOW. And we want to do the public key, and then we're going to have it actually copied over to demo.dciprouter.net. All right. All right, so it installed the key. What I'm going to do is actually, I'll explain what I'm doing in a little bit later. We'll cover this command as well. I'm going to remove all of my keys is what I'm doing right here. And I'm going to SSH into that box using my new key, and I'll specify the actual key explicitly here. And let's go LCOW, and then from there we're going to say root at demo.dciprouter.net. All right, boom, now we're logged in. So that's how easy and quick you can actually create a actual key pair and then copy that key pair over to a remote system. All right, that was your Linux command of the week. See you next week. Take care.